Effortless ironing with the RAF 2400W electric steam iron, powerful garment steamer and iron machine. Detail: the RAF 2400W electric steam iron combines power and convenience, offering efficient steam ironing and garment steaming. Achieve professional results with this versatile home appliance designed for clothes and linen. Transform your hair with Hair Flat Iron's Ultrasonic Infrared Cold Hair Care for keratin treatment and frizzy hair. Detail: the Hair Flat Irons with Ultrasonic Infrared Cold Hair Care technology offer professional-grade straightening results and hair recovery. Experience the benefits of keratin treatment and frizz reduction with this innovative hair care iron. Efficient and precise soldering with electric soldering irons, 30W 60W stainless steel, external heating for electronics work. Detail: the electric soldering irons are essential tools for electronics work, offering precise and efficient soldering. Choose from 30W and 60W models with 110V/220V options. Experience reliable performance and accurate soldering with these user-friendly soldering irons. Versatile styling with the 2-in-1 hot comb hair straightener, flat iron, and straightening brush in one. Detail: the 2-in-1 hot comb hair straightener combines the functionality of a flat iron and a straightening brush, allowing you to straighten and curl your hair effortlessly. Enjoy versatile styling options and achieve salon-quality results with this convenient and efficient hair styling tool. Effortless hair straightening with the electronic ceramic fast hair straightener, portable mini design for wet and dry hair. Detail: the electronic ceramic fast hair straightener offers fast and efficient hair straightening in a portable mini design. Enjoy salon-worthy results with this versatile styling tool, suitable for both wet and dry hair. Please subscribe 24 Bazaar channel. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.